Are you contemplating starting your own business in the Sunshine State? Forming an LLC in Florida is a smart choice for entrepreneurs. With no state income tax and straightforward processes, it's the perfect spot to kickstart your dream. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, step by step, from naming your LLC to filing the necessary documents. So let's get started. First things first, choose the perfect name for your LLC. Florida law does require your LLC name to include limited liability company or its abbreviations LLC or LLC periods. You'll also need to make sure the name is unique and that it doesn't resemble other business names in the state. You can always use the Florida Department of State's business name search tool to check for availability. If you're not ready to file immediately, you can reserve the name for $25 and it will be held for 120 days. Don't forget to secure your domain name if you plan to have a website, that is. It's a small step, but it definitely saves headaches later on. Next, every LLC in Florida needs a registered agent. Now, this could be an individual or it can be a business entity that's authorized to accept legal documents on your LLC's behalf. This registered agent must have a physical address in Florida. PO boxes are not allowed. You can act as your own registered agent, but it's important to keep in mind that this role comes with responsibilities like being available during business hours. To save time and protect your privacy, many business owners just hire a professional registered agent service. These services usually cost around $100 per year, but they do ensure you never miss important notices or legal documents. Now it's time to make your LLC official by filing the Articles of Organization. This document includes important details like your LLC name, principal business address, and registered agent information. And you can file this online at the Florida Department of State, and the filing fee is $125. And online filings are usually processed with between 2 and 3 business days. If you file it by mail, expect it to take about 12 business days. Once approved, you'll receive a stamped copy of your Articles of Organization and also a confirmation letter from the state. While Florida doesn't legally require an operating agreement, having one is highly recommended. This is especially true for LLCs that have multiple members. This document outlines the ownership structure, the management roles, and how profits and losses are shared. It's like your rule book for business, helping prevent disputes and also keeping everybody on the same page. Some banks may even ask for an operating agreement when you open a business bank account. Now, if you don't know where to start, there are templates available online that make this entire process a lot easier. Now, the next thing you'll need is an employer identification number or EIN from the IRS. You could think of this as your business's social security number. It is essential for filing taxes, hiring employees, and opening a business bank account. You can apply for free on the IRS website, and the process generally takes about 10 minutes. If you prefer, you can also apply by mail or fax, but obviously that takes longer. Once you have your EIN, you're ready to handle financial and tax-related tasks for your LLC. Depending on your business type and the location, you may need additional licenses or permits to operate legally. For example, restaurant contractors or medical professionals often require specific licenses. You can visit the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation or your local government's website to find out what's required for your industry. A business bank account is critical for separating your personal and your business finances, both of which help protect your LLC's liability status. Most banks will ask for your EIN, Articles of Organization, and possibly even your operating agreement to open an account. Popular banks like Chase, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo offer great business account options. You can choose one that best suits your particular needs. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide to forming an LLC in Florida. From naming your business to filing annual reports, you now know everything you need to know to get started. Be sure to check out the description for the links and useful resources, templates, and more in-depth tutorials. Now, if you found this video helpful, share it with someone who's ready to start their business. And remember, Florida is a great place to launch your dream, so go for it. Appreciate everybody watching today, and we will see you in the next video.